The first reading in today's liturgy continues the story of the revelation of God to Moses in the burning bush. Once God convinces Moses that he will be the one whom God has chosen to liberate his people from slavery, Moses asks him an important question. When the Pharaoh asks, "What God is it?" or "What is the name of the God who sent you?" God answers, when the Pharaoh asks, say, "I am sent you." So what does that name mean? This is the name Yahweh, which is most closely associated with God in the Hebrew scriptures. So what does Yahweh mean? What does the name I am who am really mean? There are a lot of interpretations of that name, but the one I think that is most appropriate is simply, I will be with you. So God, in effect, is saying to Moses, I will always be a mystery. You can never know exactly who I am, but I will always be present to you. I will be with you no matter what happens. And the Gospel of John in particular has Jesus use the phrase I am multiple times. So John has Jesus say, I am the bread of life. I am the light of the world. I am the sheep gate. I am the resurrection and the life. I am the good shepherd. I am the way, the truth, and the life. And at the moment of Jesus' arrest in the Garden of Gethsemane, when the soldiers uh, answer the question that Jesus poses, who are you looking for? And they say, Jesus of Nazareth. Jesus answers them by using the same phrase that God used at the theophany of the burning bush. He says to them, I am he. Clearly, the author of the Gospel of John is making an equation, declaring the equality of the God who appeared to Moses and Jesus, who will be the Savior of his people.